Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ahan Code 2 at Piramal Aranya by Piramal Realty located in Baikala, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which is the actual land parcel. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 7 acres that will have 3 towers, and now launching Ahan Code 2 at the 3rd tower that will have ground plus 45 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also 3 and 4 BHK will be premium deck apartments. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located besides Rani Bagh, from where freeway is only at a distance of 1 minute, Rare Road railway station is only at a distance of 1 kilometer, Baikala railway station is only at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have Atal Setu only at a distance of 4 kilometers from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with tower specific amenities like library, spa, gym, meeting area and more, and common amenities like swimming pool, banquet hall, clubhouse, kids play area and many more amenities. And now talking about the configurations, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 and 4 BHK premium deck apartments. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 2 lakh for 2 BHK, 3 lakh for 3 BHK and 4 lakhs for 4 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ahan Code 2 at Piramal Aranya by Piramal Realty located in Baikala, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.